In this video, we will learn about theme management. It includes image, files, templates, CSS, style sheets, etc. that can help to make your website look great. This video discusses how to install, add new or customize themes in WordPress. The following screen will be displayed when we click on Appearance Themes. There are different themes. Hover over any theme and click on Theme Details. When you click on Theme Details, the following page will be appear. It consists of details related to the theme, details like version, description, tags. If you want to add this theme to your page or website, then click on Activate. And if you want to just check the theme, then click on Live Preview. Click on Customize. On the left side of the page, you can customize your theme. Any changes you make or anything new you add is displayed on the right side of the page. In this way, we add new theme in our website using WordPress.